Is your productivity stopped because OpenGL ES 2.0 Angle Odge Hardware Abstraction can't find the audio-video libGL ES version 2 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Before we get started with audio-video libGL ES version 2, you may want to try the diagnostic path below to ensure your system is properly synchronized. This is the audio-video libGL ES version 2, a specialized wrapper for the OpenGL ES 2.0 library, found in localized mobile to PC game ports and cross-platform tools. It manages the localized graphics buffer allocation. If missing, the host application will launch as a black screen or report a graphic context failed to initialize. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Because audio-video libGL ES version 2 DLL is a proprietary component linked to the OpenGL ES 2.0 Angle/Hardware Abstraction system, a standard Windows repair will not find it, so you must reinstall the program where the error occurred to replace the file. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your application's directory. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing audio-video libGL ES version 2 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Following the restart, if the diagnostic status remains unchanged, please execute the commands in step 3. If you need to pause the video to review the syntax, please do. If you are still seeing the error after a reboot, it indicates that the application's local file structure is damaged, so you should perform a clean reinstallation by deleting the program's hidden app data folders. This ensures that old configuration files are not blocking the new version of your DLL from being deployed by the official installer. Why are we doing this? Well, third-party libraries are often cached in temporary directories, and a clean wipe is the only way to force the software to recognize a fresh library file. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of audio-video libGL ES version 2 DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing audio-video libGL ES version 2. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for audio-video libGL ES version 2, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.